All right, so here it is, guys. It's I think it's an '02 IS300, black with the black leather. It's auto, yeah, whatever. I don't care. It's my daily. It's pretty clean, honestly. It's got an exhaust, but I need to clean it out because it's disgusting in here. Look at this. You want it dark, guys? Yeah, so it smells bad and it's gross in here, but it'll clean up nicely. All right, so got a Mishimoto intake, it looks like. I don't know, I've never seen this before, so I don't know. There's a cone in there though, so that's good. Gotta check if there's like a vacuum leak, because there's a check engine light. It runs really good though. So yeah, 2JZ right here. Intake, stock headers, put a cab back. So nothing's gonna really get done to this thing besides just maintenance and stuff. That's cool. It's wired for a sub, but yeah, nothing's gonna get done to this. I might weld the diff, but other than that, like nothing. I'm not gonna do anything to it. People are like, yo, manual swap it, and that'd be nice, but this is just kind of my daily for now, because I got the Turbo Miata and I got a Ninja now too, so I don't really need a bunch of projects. But there's no O2. I gotta check the O2s too. There's a check engine light for O2s and then a vacuum leak, so super small stuff, but it runs perfect, so it can't be anything serious. I don't see any leaks or anything either. It looks very clean in here. But yeah, 2JZ and the Lexus. So now I can recreate the scene from Fast and the Furious. 2JZ, no shit. But yeah, this thing, it's slow, you know, it's an auto, but it gets down. I slid it a couple times yesterday, and it actually did a pretty good burnout at a stoplight on the way home. But yeah, it's an open diff right now.
No.
Take a hit.
No.
Take a hit.
No, that's disgusting.
Nick Fiend.
I'm not that much of a fan.
They're not even Phillips or anything. They're fucking. Look, I got all the toys out today. We're not doing anything. I just got to clean up the IS and stuff, but I want to get the bike out, so I moved everything out. This guy parked next to the cart so everyone hits his car.
Give me my money.
So I'm just getting some stuff in my room. I got some soap. And look at the selection here at Walmart for the air fresheners. Good job, guys. Nice. I could get all the scents I want in here. All right, we just washed this thing, gave it a detail, cleaned all the interior out. I put the Stance Boy charm in there. So the car looks good now, nice and clean.
What is it, like 70 right now? Yo, what the